that?
Wow!
What's that?
What do you say?
Thank you, Marita.
Okay.
You happy now?
Let's go home. Sana tayo?
I don't know how to open it. I don't know how
Wait.
to open it.
Kami po ay nandito sa
Uy, Tay, what's
market.
inside?
I don't know.
I think it's toy.
Uy.
Hmm.
Oh, what do you say, Mamita?
Thank you.
Wow.
You need to open it.
Where's the one?
Here. Love
Oh,
it.
so 2 eggs. You have 2 eggs.
Maaga pa kami dito sa market.
you open
6:49.
Oh no. Two.
Sama-sama na ito si Gab-Gab dito.
Okay.
Oh, to open it.
Nagpabili ng egg. So masaya siya dahil may egg. So
Ay, alam ko na kung saan bili pala ng ganyan.
saan banda?
Doon lang sa suki ko malapit. Ito naman pala, mas
So let's go home.
mura
Sa
lang.
harapan natin makikita natin yung
Open up.
GPS. General
Open up.
Paulino
You can do it,
Santos.
Gab. You can do it. 1, 2, go! So hard?
Or it cannot open it. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, what's the price? Wow.
Open it.
So, ito yung round ball ng Coronadal City.
Just wait, guys. So, my kids can open it.
Like mamita. Okay na. Hindi mo kaya. Sira yung teeth mo. Okay na.
Okay. Itong street na ito papunta sa General Santos City.
It's not good. Chocolate.
Makikita natin yung malalaking tindahan sa Coronadal.
It's a toy. Okay.
Yan ang Mall of Ace Center Point. Katabi naman niya ang
Wow!
Wow, toy.
KCC ang katabi.
Not kangaroo.
Wow, it's a dinosaur. Oh,
Dinosaur.
that's cute.
So nandito tayo sa traffic.
Uy, may chocolate.
Hindi mo ko na kainin. Ito baka masira yung tiyan mo. Huwag mo na kainin.
Yan, si
Not good for you.
Gab-Gab, enjoying the day. Masaya siya.
Don't eat yung chocolate kaya masira yung magsuka ka.
I don't know how to open it, Marita. How?
Tubig tayo ha. Tubig.
Simula sa market, bili kami ng tubig. Sa Coronadal City po, maraming
Marita?
ATM machine. Automatic tubig machine.
Yummy?
So, hindi katulad sa ibang lugar.
Ganda.
Na-
Ngayon wala tayong tubig dito.
Ang bilihan ng tubig malalayo. Dito sa Coronadal, halos kanto-kanto merong automatic tubig machine.
ATM. ATM machine. Hindi na ko na nabili ka po yung favorite subject.
Ito naman yung dunk.
ano? Parking for